And now to hear from the star of the show, who didn't even know she was the star of the show, the newest Milken educator in Nebraska, Miss Moody.
Because you all hate Ellen. Gravity, we're not friends. Oh my gosh. I just want to say thank you to everybody that came and supported us. I am fortunate to work in an amazing school with an amazing staff and supportive administrators. I constantly say I could not do my job without every single person. And it's the best job in the world. It's the hardest job in the world, but it's really rewarding, and I'm just so grateful to work in a staff that's so supportive and shows up every day and wants to do what's best for kids. Not to mention, we have the best kids, I think, in the state of Nebraska. We're very lucky to have you. You make it